splash it. Notice it's only on the end right there, right?
Yeah.
In the middle.
Yeah, it's only going on that area right there.
You can see what that battery's made of. Most batteries are made of cadmium.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Cadmium's 48 if you want to look it up.
This one's gonna be steaming because of the aluminum foil inside the car.
Yeah, and this is only 6 molar, so that means it's been diluted about 25%.
Wow.
With water. The acid has. Find out what material that is and why it reacts so much more vigorously. Look at the difference. Wow. Oh, look how much, it's a very exothermic reaction. It's giving off a tremendous amount of heat.
Wow. What's that? Oh wow, it's a heat thing. Oh, in strategics. That green stuff, that's the crayon.
Oh, okay. You don't like the smoke.
Alright, I'm just trying to...
Yeah. Start at 22, so room temperature is 22.
Ooh, wow.
So now it is the same reaction. It's just slower, so maybe you have a coating on it. Two different types of thermometers.
It just keeps on going up. You can actually see the mercury going up.
Yeah, it's alcohol in there. They don't make thermometers out of mercury anymore. It's too dangerous. Looks like this one stopped at 75 degrees. So an increase of 50.
Do you have like any extra aluminum foil? It might like speed up the penny, the peanuts, and the
It won't speed
thing.
it up. It will react separately. It won't speed up that reaction.
Oh. I guess this is what happens when you eat peanuts.
Your stomach acid tries to break them down. This is the same acid as in your stomach.
Yeah.
A lot of. Thank you. stuck at 77. It's about, well, it's like the peanuts, it's the number 4. Much thinner metal, much lower temperature.
This is probably the stuff right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's not really going any further. Yeah. Good job. So you go back and look at the types of metals, try and find out the types of metals they're made of, and try and look at why the different temperatures were there and the different speeds were there. Right? Like this one right here, like it was black all of a sudden, but now if you, oh look at that, look. Look. No, look right here.
Oh yeah.
That thing is just
Cut
gonna
that thing in half, yeah.
But like something I don't understand, how come like this one is still like black, like it hasn't even cleared yet, but this one right here, it's like you can still see the acid, but like the thing is that the acid is turned clear to black, then clear again.
Right. It just depends on what other materials the acid's reacting with, or you know, the plastic part might get involved in there. The other stuff that might react with the acid.
So like, what's all those bubbles underneath?
Well, I mean, that's actual gas being produced by the hydrochloric acid. A lot of it's just it could be just carbon dioxide.
Wow.
It could be water vapor.
Wow.
You'd have to write the reaction of what kind of metal this was plus hydrochloric acid. A lot of time makes water vapor.
I mean, like I could see that this one's actually reacting long enough, but like this one, probably it's just because that it already has been in the acid. So, and so I put like some aluminum foil actually inside the car. This one hasn't reacted with any acid. This one right here has just been in. I just put aluminum foil in. That's it. It hasn't been in any acid, nothing like that. Oh yeah, I forgot about the whole paper clip. I should give it a little taste.
Did you give it that?
That's hot.
It was just from the, that was from the aluminum foil.
Oh, okay.
So the other ones were much, two times hotter. Twice as hot.
How do you turn this thing on?
Careful with this.
Oh. I'm just trying to get all the acid off.
Stir it. Is this little one yours?
No. Those are both yours. I just found them over there. So peanuts, nothing really new.
I did not react whatsoever.
But you know that if you learn one thing from health class or whatever, it takes a long time for your food to digest.
That's right. And that's proof of it right there. Because they did not, that peanuts did not react with the acid.
That one's still reacting. Oh my goodness. That one's really reacting.
You need that baggie?
Yeah.
Did you want to take those cars home too?
Yep.
And use tongs to take those out.
How much time do you have left?
Oh, a couple minutes.
Same here. Man, that one's just like that one's still reacting. Dang.
To do a research thing on what those Hot Wheel cars are made of. And what kind of metal reacts the most with acid.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at that. Dang, you just got rid of the metal like no problem. Like turn it around.
Well, you look and see, it's almost has turned it into a more of a liquid type material.
Wow.
It used to be metal and now it looks very
Crappy.
bendable.
I want to show this to my teachers. Well, yeah, I just have to wait for the thing to cool.
I
Yeah.
can wash it off too.
Oh my god.
Even when you touch this again, Jack, make sure you wash your hands after you touch it, okay?
Alright.
It's just putting water on it. It'll cool it off and it will mildly clean it off, but it won't, could be still some other acid on there.